Welcome, Thrivers! Whether you're new to minimalism or looking to refine your journey, Quit Clutter offers inspiration and guidance for everyone. Join us if you're ready to quit clutter and organize, optimize, and thrive in your life. Welcome to Cracking the Clutter Code. This investigative series is about exploring specific concepts and terminology as they relate to clutter and moderate minimalism. The videos are brief, so stay tuned until the end and let us know how this relates to your journey. Today's topic is body doubles. In a world constantly searching for productivity hacks, the concept of a body double has emerged as a powerful tool for staying on task. A body double, in this context, is someone who works alongside you to increase focus, motivation, and accountability. Whether in person or virtually, the presence of another person can drastically reduce procrastination and help overcome task paralysis. Initially popularized for managing ADHD, the body double technique is gaining traction among remote workers, students, and anyone struggling with productivity. This video explores the benefits of using a body double and how you can implement this method into your routine. A body double is a person who works alongside you, helping you stay focused and productive simply by being present. The concept originates from the film industry, where a body double physically replaces an actor during certain scenes. In the context of productivity, a body double isn't there to assist with tasks, but rather to serve as a silent motivator, helping you concentrate. Their presence creates a sense of accountability, often making it easier to begin and complete tasks. This technique is particularly effective for those struggling with distractions or feeling overwhelmed, making it a useful tool for many people. Using a body double can significantly boost productivity by providing a sense of accountability. When someone is working alongside you, it becomes harder to procrastinate or get distracted, as the presence of another person creates subtle pressure to stay focused. This dynamic encourages a more structured approach to tasks, reducing the tendency to wander mentally or avoid difficult jobs. Additionally, a body double can help overcome task paralysis, as simply starting becomes easier when you're not alone. This method boosts motivation, turning mundane or overwhelming tasks into manageable steps through shared focus and momentum. There are various ways to use a body double. An in-person body double involves physically working alongside a friend, colleague, or in a co-working space, where shared presence helps maintain focus. A virtual body double offers similar benefits through online platforms like Zoom or FocusMate, not a sponsor, allowing you to work remotely while still feeling accountable. For those who prefer minimal interaction, a passive body double can simply be someone present in the same space, even if they're not involved in your task. Whether in person or virtual, the key is creating a focused environment where both people remain productive and engaged. While using a body double can be highly effective, there are potential challenges. Distractions may arise if the body double becomes chatty or shifts focus, so it's important to establish clear boundaries. Scheduling conflicts can also be an issue, as finding consistent times that work for both parties may be difficult. Additionally, some people may develop a sense of dependence on the body double, feeling unable to complete tasks alone. To overcome this, it's important to strike a balance. Use a body double when needed, but also build independent working habits to ensure long-term productivity and self-reliance. Wait! We missed one of the best options for a body double, and it's one with the fewest challenges: YouTube videos. If you are having difficulty beginning a task, you might consider playing a YouTube video of someone who is also performing that task. Then you have the benefit of working alongside someone else who is not going to be chatty or distracting. You can also experiment with using related topic videos or background music videos and see whether they help you get going and stay focused. Only you can decide what will work best for you. In conclusion, using a body double can be a powerful tool for boosting productivity and staying on task. By simply having someone work alongside you, whether in person or virtually, You can reduce procrastination, increase focus, and break through task paralysis. This technique is particularly helpful for those with ADHD, remote workers, and students, but anyone can benefit from seeking greater accountability and motivation. To experience these benefits, try incorporating a body double into your routine and observe the impact on your productivity. Sometimes a little companionship is all it takes to transform daunting tasks into achievable goals. Thanks for watching this Cracking the Clutter Code video, Thrivers. Did you learn something valuable or have an aha moment? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel in order to organize, optimize, and thrive with Quit Clutter. YouTube thinks you'll like this video.